short video here. A lot of you have been checking out the custom Glock I did, and it actually wasn't the first thing that I went to town on. This is an hk45 compact tactical that I went to town on several years ago, and I just thought I'd show it to you. Some of the things we did was put serrations on the bottom and brought them back pretty far. We then did some ball milling up in here and on the front, and that's on both sides. Serrations, some ball mill up here, of course stippling, and I've had this for a long time. This has every bit of 2,000-3,000 rounds through it. We also did mini windows up here, and it doesn't end there, because if I can do this on camera, I went in and I cleaned up the trigger. Everything, I mean, it's dirty now, but everything's been honed, polished. Sharp corners have been taken out. Springs have been slightly changed, both in the frame and up here in the slide with the firing pin block safety, the firing pin spring. I think the firing pin spring's factory, and the firing pin block spring is factory, but I believe I used a P30 firing pin block spring. I also went and I put a match spring, trigger return spring, and I also drilled this out for a USP tactical match over travel stop. So this thing is real nice, both double and single, very smooth, no grit, no play. I mean, it is just, it's fantastic. So just thought I'd swing that in there. I mean, I know some of you, I'm a big HK fan. Matter of fact, I prefer the HK pistols, but I wanted to try the Glock thing and see what it was all about. And so there you have it, TLR1 HL with a modified cross slot piece in it. So this also wears a light, and like I said, just thousands around, probably 2, maybe even 3. And the only thing to stop this gun from shooting is probably a nuclear bomb, because it just eats it all up. So I don't see the Glock that I did the work on not eating ammo as well. But there you go, just something for you HK guys out there. You don't see a whole lot of custom mill work done to HK pistols, and you don't see a lot of trigger work done or none of that, but I make every one of these my own. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed and have a good day.